Are you looking for the best router bit sets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best router bit sets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Dremel 692 6-piece router bit set. All factors considered, this bit is suitable for a wide range of jobs. These range from renovation to repairs and hobbies. Its universal scope and reach make it a good companion if you are intent on repeated use and applications. Constructed of high-speed steel, the set is constructed not using normal stainless steel materials. Instead, it is made of high-speed steel material. It is subsequently tougher and lasts longer than your average set. This brings about higher value for money. Reusable plastic storage case. It is further packaged in some reusable plastic storage cases. You express your love and care for the environment when you buy this set. That is because you minimize the strains which the environment may often have to bear with their non-renewable plastics. 6-piece router bit set in its entirety. The package comprises some 6 pieces. These pieces handle a number of chores and impact various kinds of materials. They subsequently allow for your maximum enjoyment of the drilling processes. At number 4. FivePears Tungsten Carbide Router Bits. These FivePears Tungsten Carbide router bits are generally suited for do-it-yourself applications. It is also comprehensive in that it incorporates some 12 pieces in one. A large 1/2-inch shank, on the other hand, makes do for handling many kinds of activities. Quality construction in its entirety. This router set is durable in its construction. This is because of the C3 tungsten carbide blades. They provide some accurate and clean cuts indeed. Further to this, they also fit many other router tools and tables for your convenience. Smooth operations. While handling this set, you will enjoy some pretty smooth operations indeed. That is because each constituent bit is coated using powder for added protection. This, in turn, yields uncompromising quality with repeated use. Multifunctional bit set. With this set, it is possible for you to handle many kinds of tasks and chores. It mainly allows for this by reason of possessing different kinds of cutters. All of them work different effects on your overall total enjoyment and experience. At number 3. Roto-Zip 10-pack RotoZip X bits. Looking for a router bit set for your roto tools and drywall routers? Well, this is the one that is structured and intended for those kinds of tools. Apart from this, the set is also precise by its sheer scope and structural makeup. High-speed steel construction. The high-speed steel construction tops the list of the most awesome features which make this setup. It lasts 5 times longer than your ordinary set courtesy of this makeup. At the same time, it cuts twice as fast as your standard bits. 5 32" guide point to channel your bits safely and precisely. The set comes along with some 5 32" guide point. Being very accurate, the guide point allows for faster cuts from all kinds of outlets and openings. You should subsequently expect the tool to generate desirable ends. Professional quality. All factors considered in this set yield some professional quality outcomes. It is by all measure a great choice for drywallers. This stems mostly from its reliable, durable, and high-quality outcomes. You want it for your best outcomes. At number 2. Yakimos 1/4-inch Shank Rabbet Router Bit. In case you are the kind of person who handles composition materials, you have this router set for your consideration. The tool is indeed capable of impacting softwood, hardwood, plywood, and many other kinds of composition materials. This is not to mention that it delivers some great outcomes on the whole. Interchangeable bearings. One striking aspect of this set is that it can handle different cutting depths. This is due to its interchangeable bearings which cut at different locations and angles. The arrangement also enables smooth cutting at impacts either surface as well. Double applicability. With this set, it is possible for you to cut the table-mounted and handheld routers with ease. That is because it is optimized for dual applicability. Your purchase and use of this tool is hence a great way to save yourself tons of money. Solid hardened steel bodies. At its core is a solid hardened steel body. This is what forms the skeleton onto which other parts and components are affixed. It is strong and sturdy enough to allow for longevity of use and service. Its anti-kickback design also enhances its stability. At number 1. Lukcase 1/8 CNC router bits. Do you wish to generate some third-dimension sculptures and artifacts? Well, this is the set to lay your hands on. By its sheer nature and scope, this set handles slotting, engraving, cutting, milling, and sculpturing perfectly well. High-density polished material. Some high-density polished materials have been used to construct this router set. The material is tougher, stable, and also breathtaking to behold. You may consider using this router set to enhance the interior ambiance of your workshop. Where resistant, it is also resistant to water and other forms of moisture. For this reason, you may count on it not to let you down regardless of whichever circumstance comes your way. Specifically, the set does well in damp environments. High temperature. Other than being water resistant, this set is also perseverant to higher temperatures. Expect it to yield you stable and reliable performances even when the circumstances do not favor other kinds of sets. This again makes it suited for intense applications. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.